I think one of the coolest things about calisthenics is that it changes the way you look at your own body. When most people think about getting stronger, they think about going somewhere, a gym, a machine, a workout program, a piece of equipment. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. But somewhere along the way, calisthenics taught me something I never expected. It taught me that my body wasn't something I carried around. My body became the gym itself. And honestly, that's still kind of mind blowing to me because everything starts small. Maybe it's your first push up, maybe it's your first pull up, maybe it's just hanging from a bar for a few seconds longer than before. Nothing feels impressive, nothing looks impressive, but something is happening. At first, you're just trying to move your body. Then one day your body starts moving differently. You become stronger, more aware, more coordinated, more capable, and suddenly things that once felt impossible start feeling normal. The first pull up, the first dip, the first L set, the first push up, the first handstand, the first dragon flag. And every new skill changes the way you see yourself because you're no longer looking at your body as a limitation. You are looking at it as something you can explore, something you can develop, something full of possibilities. And maybe that's another thing calisthenics taught me. Somewhere along the way, I stopped caring so much about being better than other people. Not because I became enlightened, because I got distracted by the next skill, the next challenge, the next thing that made me curious. One day you are trying to learn a pull up. Then you are hanging upside down trying to figure out a handstand. Then you are attempting some random movement that looked impossible 6 months ago. And suddenly you realize you're not really chasing perfection anymore. You're exploring, you're playing, you are discovering. And the funny thing is, the more you focus on exploration, the less comparison matters because everybody is on a different adventure. Everybody is climbing a different mountain. Everybody is figuring out different things about themselves, and honestly, that makes the journey a lot more fun. That's why I love movement so much, not because of aesthetics, not because of numbers, not because of social media, but because movement constantly remind me that there is always more to discover about the world, about life, about myself. And honestly, that lesson extends far beyond fitness. Every adventure starts with uncertainty. Every dream starts with not knowing. Every skill starts with being bad at it. Whether it's learning a handstand, traveling alone, starting a YouTube channel, building a business, or chasing something that feels impossible. The process is surprisingly similar. You start, you struggle, you learn, you keep moving, and somewhere in the process, you become someone new. And don't get me wrong, weight training is awesome. I still think lifting weight is one of the best things people can do for their health and strength. But there is something uniquely magical and addicting about calisthenics. Something strangely addictive. Because once you realize what your body can do, you start getting curious. Then curiosity turns into exploration. You learn a push up, you learn a pull up, now you want explosive push ups, now you want muscle ups. You learn an L sit, and now you want a handstand. You learn a handstand, now you want handstand push ups. You learn one skill, and suddenly 10 more possibilities appear. It feels less like exercise and more like an adventure. Like opening doors you didn't even know existed. And maybe that's what keeps pulling me back. Not because I have to train, because I genuinely want to know what else is possible. And I think that's why I still get excited about new equipment. Tip bars, pull-up bars, pallets, rings. To most people, they are just a piece of metal. To me, they are invitations. New ways to move, new challenges, new adventures, new experiences waiting to happen. Because at the end of the day, the equipment isn't really the point, is the journey it takes you on, the places it takes you, the things it teaches you, the person it helps you become. And the coolest part, you don't need a perfect gym, you don't need perfect conditions, you don't need perfect timing because the most powerful tool was always with you. your body. You spend years looking for the perfect place to become stronger, and one day you realize your body was the gym the whole time.